Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today is Mahashtami. My Mahashtami greetings to all of you. Do you know the blooms of the flower signify the advent of autumn as well as the arrival of Ma Durga? Parijat flower, also known in Bengali, Shuli or Shefali. In Odisha, it is known as Ganga Shuli or Jhara Shefali. As it blooms at the night, many people also call it Raat Ki Rani. The plant is also known as night jasmine and coral jasmine in English. 1 month before, we had given a video on this parijat flower on how to take care of it in the growing season right just after winter. After giving it some care on the growing season, the plant now has so many buds. This was recorded about 1 week ago. In the growing season, we had given this plant a lot of fertilizers. So, in this period, we will not give any kind of solid fertilizer to this plant. But parijat flower is a heavy feeder plant. So, to make it bloom more, we have to constantly give fertilizer. So, my mom is going to give a liquid fertilizer to the plant. Do you know, my mom created this fertilizer 7 days ago only. Okay, let me tell you how my mom created this fertilizer. Nothing, is just 2 tablespoons of banana peel fertilizer and 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Both are finely crushed powder. Soak it with some water and keep it in a shaded area for 5 to 7 days. After 7 days, this magical fertilizer is finally ready to use. But as it is a strong fertilizer, this fertilizer should be diluted with more water before giving it to the plant. Also, keep in mind that parijat plant does not like excess water. So, check the soil first before giving this fertilizer. And if the topsoil is dry, then only give this fertilizer. Just wait and see. After giving this fertilizer, the plant will bloom so much. Also, look at our plant. Some of the leaves tips are dry and become all brown. What's the reason? Can you guess it? If your plant's condition is like this, it probably means that you have given less water, which is also known as underwatering, or more water, which is known as overwatering. But some of you have a question that even after taking all that care, why is our parijat plant not flowering? There is 3 main reasons why your parijat plant is not flowering. First is about the sunlight, second is about the watering, and third is about the fertilization. Simply, your plant needs 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. For fertilization, remember that your plant is a heavy feeder, so it needs lots of fertilizer. And for watering, you just need to avoid standing water as much as possible. Today is Mahashtami. That's why we are collecting these flowers for Ma Durga. Do you know, it's the state flower of West Bengal. And we are the origin of West Bengal only. I hope if you take care of your plants like this, you will get lots of flowers like we have right now. And if you have any more questions about this parijat plant, we are going to give the playlist of this in the end screen of the video. Oh, and make sure to keep at least one parijat plant in your garden as well, because with its beauty, it also has many kinds of medicinal values. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your Navaratri and Durga Puja. And if you want to know how we spent this Durga Puja, make sure to watch the videos we are going to upload in the Chhoti Bangla blog. Bye bye.